What is Arduino Uno Q? Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konak Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of Arduino Uno Q single board computer. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of Arduino Uno Q board such as its technical specifications, key features and major applications and uses. So, let's get it started.
Konak's Research. Subscribe now.
The Arduino Uno Q is a high-performance hybrid single-board computer and microcontroller development board which redefines performance and versatility. Featuring cutting-edge USB Type-C connectivity and built on the renowned Uno form factor, the Uno Q is designed to elevate various projects. Equipped with a Linux Debian-capable application processor such as Qualcomm Dragonwing QRB2210 and a real-time 32-bit microcontroller such as STM32U585, this board is perfect for advanced applications in AI, computer vision, IoT, robotics, and industrial applications. The single board computer SBC enables fully standalone development board, seamlessly integrates with the Arduino App Lab development environment which empowers users to create the groundbreaking applications across microcontrollers and edge AI. With its user-friendly examples and expandable capabilities through modular bricks, this powerful tool simplifies deployment with built-in orchestration. It helps users quickly and efficiently turn innovative ideas into reality. Technical specifications of Arduino Uno Q. Technical specifications of this dual architectural platform can be categorized in nearly 6 categories. Number 1. Microprocessor Unit MPU. The Qualcomm QRB2210 is a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor running at 2.0 GHz equipped with an Adreno 702 graphics processing units GPU at 845 MHz for 3D graphics acceleration and dual image signal processors ISPs which supports up to 25 megapixels at 30 frames per second. It runs on Linux Debian operating system with upstream support makes it well suited for embedded vision and edge computing applications. Number 2. Microcontroller Unit MCU. The STM32U585 microcontroller features an ARM Cortex-M33 core running up to 160 MHz with 2 MB of flash memory and 786 KB of static random access memory (SRAM). It runs the Zephyr operating system which provides a secure and efficient platform for low-power embedded applications. Number 3. Wireless connectivity. It consists of WCBN3536A radio module which provides dual-band Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity both with on-board antennas for reliable wireless performance. Number 4. Memory Unit. The board features 16 GB or 32 GB options for embedded multimedia card eMMC storage and 2 GB or 4 GB options for low power double data rate for LPDDR4 RAM which delivers fast memory access and reliable storage for various embedded applications. Number 5. Multimedia Codec. The AMX7625 multimedia codec enables video and audio output through the onboard USB-C connector which provides a high-speed interface for display and sound transmission in embedded applications. By using a USB-C dongle with external power delivery connected to the Uno Q 4 GB RAM variant's USB-C port, we can connect HDMI display, mouse and keyboard, USB camera, USB drive, Ethernet cable, micro SD card, USB microphone and USB headphones. Number 6. Power Management Unit. The Uno Q includes the Qualcomm PM4125, a power management integrated circuit PMIC, which meets the demands of always connected embedded IoT devices. Key features of Arduino Uno Q. Arduino Uno Q single board computer's key features can be categorized in nearly 6 categories. Number 1. Hybrid Dual Brain Intelligence. It combines Linux and real-time MCU control on a single board for smart, responsive, and edge-aware applications. Number 2. Simplified development experience. Arduino App Lab is a brand new integrated development environment IDE which unifies the journey across Linux and real-time operating system. The IDE offers pre-built examples, initiative building blocks, and scalable deployment with transparent orchestrations of software and containers. Number 3. Familiar form and unmatched power. The board also maintains the iconic UNO footprint with integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth quick expansion, and an 8x13 blue LEDs matrix fully compatible with existing shields and accessories while adding Linux processing, AI support, and high-speed input-output. Quick is a solder-free plug-and-play connection system designed for I2C communication between microcontroller boards, sensors, and actuators. Number 4. Streamlined App Lab Platform. The board provides an intuitive environment to combine Arduino sketches, Python scripts, and containerized AI models into integrated applications. Number 5. Ready for AI and vision at the edge. It supports the computer vision, sound recognition, and real-time automation for on-device intelligence. Number 6. 2 setups, 1 experience. The board can also be used as a single board computer with monitor, keyboard, mouse, or connected to a host PC running App Lab for a familiar development workflow. Major applications of Arduino Uno Q. Number 1. The Uno Q is ideal for developing the IoT applications thanks to its enhanced connectivity and power management features. The board can be used to create the smart devices which communicate with each other and the cloud, enabling automation and data collection in various environments. Number 2. The Uno Q board is a game changer for building and controlling robots with versatile input-output options and a high-performance microcontroller. The board can also handle multiple sensors and actuators, which makes it perfect for complex robotic systems that require precise control and real-time processing. Number 3. This board is perfect choice for wearable technology-based projects due to its compact size and low power consumption. In near future, it can also be integrated into fitness trackers, smartwatches, and other wearable gadgets, providing reliable performance and long battery life. Number 4. The board can be used to create smart home devices and systems, leverages its robust connectivity and processing capabilities. The board can also control lighting, heating, security systems, and other home appliances, which makes homes more efficient and convenient. Number 5. This is an excellent tool for learning and teaching electronics and programming, which provides hands-on experience with a modern microcontroller board. The Uno Q is suitable for students, hobbyists who want to explore the world of embedded systems and develop their technical skills. If you are also into embedded systems, AI or robotics, the Uno Q offers a rare blend of simplicity and power. Number 6. The Uno Q can be employed in industrial settings to automate processes, monitor equipment, and collect the data. Its robust design and reliable performance make it a suitable choice for harsh environments and critical applications. Number 7. The board is capable to build the systems which can monitor environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, air quality, and many more. These systems can also be deployed in agriculture, weather stations, and other fields to collect and analyze the data for better decision making. Conclusion. The Arduino Uno Q is a powerful new SBC which merges real-time microcontroller control with high-performance Linux computing. The Arduino Uno Q is the first fruit of Arduino and Qualcomm partnership, a brand new development board in a familiar form factor hiding the functionality of a fully standalone Linux-capable single-board computer, something closer to a Raspberry Pi than the earlier models in the Arduino Uno range. With preloaded AI models in Arduino App Lab, users can leverage real-world data for a wide range of capabilities including object, human detection, anomaly detection, image classification, sound recognition, and keyword spotting. According to Marcelo Majonji, Arduino's chief product officer, it is the most capable Arduino Uno ever. According to Nakul Duggal, Group General Manager, Automotive, Industrial and Embedded IoT and Cloud Computing Qualcomm, their focus is going to be on the system-on-chip families that they support today. So nothing is going to change as far as how the Arduino operating model continues. Now we can pre-order the Arduino Uno Q 2GB and 16GB variant at $44 from the official Arduino store, RS Components, DigiKey, Mouser Electronics, MacForce Limited, and from other authorized Arduino distributors and resellers, with shipping beginning on 25th of October 2025. Arduino has also promised the 4GB and 32GB variant will open for orders in November at $59 with a view to shipping by the end of year 2025.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
Konux Research, subscribe now.